Hello dear students, today we will do question number 7 of exercise 22a given in page number 269 and 270. So the question is, a floor measuring 7 meter by 2.8 meter is to be covered with tiles measuring 35 centimeter square. How many tiles will be needed? Now in this question you have to find how many tiles will be required to cover the floor of length 7 meter and breadth 2.8 meter. The longer side is always length and the shorter one is breadth. Now what we'll do, we'll find the area of this floor as well as the area of the tiles. Now tiles is in the form of square. So we all know what is the formula for finding the area of square. So you can see that here the length is 7 meter and breadth is 2.8 meter. So since the side of a tiles is given 35 centimeter, so what I will do, I will convert meter into centimeter and 2.8 meter into centimeter, or else we can convert 35 centimeter into meter. Both way it is correct. So but in this question I am converting 7 meter into centimeter and 2.8 meter into centimeter. So you can see that I have calculated the length, that is in centimeter. That is when we multiply with 100, then we'll get centimeter. Similarly 2.8 meter, if we multiply by 100, we'll get in centimeter, that is 280 centimeter. Now what we'll do, we'll find the area of floor as well as area of tiles. So area of floor will be length into breadth, that is 700 into 280 will get 1,96,000 centimeter square. And area of tiles, because see tiles is in the form of square, so the area of square is side square, that is 35 square. So we'll get 1225 centimeter square. So I forgot to write centimeter square, but you will write, because if you don't write the units you may not get marks in exam. Centimeter square. So tiles needed will be area of floor divided by area of tiles. So area of floor is 1,96,000 divided by 1,225, that is the area of tiles. So when we divide it, we'll get 160. So 160 tiles are required to cover this floor. So this was question number 7. Let us see the another question. So question number 9. Find the area in hectares of a field whose length is 240 meter and perimeter is 700 meter. So there is one field which is in the form of rectangular shape. So the length is given 240 meter and breadth is not given, but the perimeter is given. Perimeter means the boundary. Perimeter means the boundary. So you all know what is the formula of perimeter. So with the help of perimeter, we'll find the breadth of the rectangular field. So length is given 240 meter and perimeter is given 700 meter. So breadth we'll find out. See, we all know the formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, 2 into length plus breadth equals to 700, that is perimeter. So you all have learned the equations, how to find the value of x. So that concept will apply here. So 2 into length is given 240 meter and breadth is not given, so I am taking it b equals to 700. Now what we'll do, we'll multiply. 2 is 480 and 2 into b is 2b equals to 700. So 2b, let it be in the left hand side. So what we'll do, we'll take 700, then 480 will be taken to the right hand side. So what happens, 2b equals to 700 minus 480. So b equals to 700 minus 480 is 220. So b remains here, 2 comes down. So when we cancel it, we'll get 110 meters. So breadth equals to 110 meter. Now we got breadth and we have length. So we can find the area. So area I have to find in hectares, not in meter square, but in hectares. So first we'll find out in meter square, then we'll convert it into hectares. So length into breadth. So length we already given in the question, that is 240, and 110 just we have found out now, that is breadth. So when you multiply, we'll get 26400 meter square. Now I'll convert meter square into hectares. So remember students, 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meter square. Clear? 1 hectare equals to, and we denote hectare by HA. So 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meter square. So 26400, when we divide by 10,000, we'll get our area in hectare. So when we, so this 0 and this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. So when we shift the decimal, we'll get 2.64 hectares. So this way, question number 9 is done. Now we'll do question number 15. So what is the question number 15? The question number 15 says that the length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth. So the length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth and its area is given in hectares, that is 2 hectares. Find the cost of fencing the field at rupees 50 per meter. So whenever in the question it is said find the cost of fencing the field. So what we'll do, we'll find the perimeter of that field. Okay. So to find the perimeter we require length and breadth. But in the question what it said, the length of rectangular field is twice its breadth. So if we take breadth as x, so the length will be twice the breadth, that is 2x. So first we'll find the value of x, then only we'll get length and breadth. So first we'll try to find out length and breadth of this rectangular field. So I have taken, let the breadth of the rectangular be x and length be 2x because the length is twice its breadth. So if breadth will be x, automatically the length when we calculate it will come double of breadth, that is 2x. And also it's given that area of rectangular field is 2 hectares. Okay. Now you can see that when we calculate the cost of fencing, it is given rupees 50 per meter. So we require area or length or breadth in meter. So first what I will do, I will convert hectares into meter. So 2 hectares when we convert into meter square, we have to multiply by 10,000. As you all know, 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square, which I have explained in your previous question. So let us convert this area into meter square. So simply we'll multiply by 10,000, we'll get 20,000 meter square. So now we got meter. Now what we'll do, now we'll find length and breadth. Okay. Now to find the length and breadth, we'll compare the area with the formula. So length into breadth equal to 20,000. Okay. You all know the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length is twice the breadth, that is 2x, and breadth is x. So 2x into x will be 2x square equals to 20,000. So x square equal to 20,000 divided by 2. So x square equal to 10,000. So in order to remove this square sign, what we will do, we'll put the square root on 10,000. Clear? So x equals to square root of 10,000, that is 100. So you all know how to find square root. So by LCM, 10,000 times will be 10,000. Again 10, 100 times 1,000. Then 10, 10s are 100. So we'll take pair of 2. So 10, 10. So here from here 10 will come. And from here 10 will take. So 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. So the square root of 10,000 is 100. So we got the value x equals to 100. Now we have taken the length twice its breadth. Clear? So we got the value of x, means twice of x, that is 2 into 100. So it will come 200 meters. So length equals to 200 meter and breadth is x. So 100 meter will be its breadth. Now perimeter. Now why we are finding perimeter? Because in the question it is said find the cost of fencing the field. So whenever we are finding the cost of fencing, we need to find the boundary, that is a perimeter of the rectangular. So perimeter of the rectangle will find out. So 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula to find the perimeter of rectangular. So 2 into length is 200 plus 100 is your breadth. So 200 plus 100 is 300 and 300 multiplied by 2 will be 600 meter. Clear? Now cost of fencing will be, it's given here, rupees 50 per meter. For 1 meter is 50. So for 600 meter it will be rupees 50 into 600 meters. So we'll get rupees 30,000. So this way we got the answer. So this way question 15 is done.